Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm here with another makeup tutorial for you guys, and yes, she is giving holiday vibes. Yes I'm here for this look, and I hope you guys are here for it as well. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then of course keep on watching. Chick baby, what? Back again. Okay, but anywho, let's create a look. I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. I decided to take it back, so let's get started. All right, so I'm going to start off with my brow bone highlight. Pop her right underneath, set that concealer. Forgot how awkward it is to hold this palette. You already know my favorite shade I like to put in my crease. Either gonna be a brown or orange, and let's go for an orange. So I'm gonna go for the shade right here. I haven't used this palette in a while, so I hope it's still giving pigmentation. Ooh, she's still transitioning. Very pretty. I remember this orange, y'all. This used to be my favorite shade in the palette. Y'all clearly see why. Okay, it's giving pigmentation for the days, for the gods. And I don't know how long Jaclyn Hill's contract is with Morphe, but y'all, this palette is still available to purchase. This was a very popular item for Black Friday because they had a really good sale going on for Morphe. I think their palettes was like 40% off or 50% off, and it was a good steal. And this was a classic that was being purchased. I was like, yep, she's a good one. That's a classic right there. And then for my palette to be, so many years old, it's still giving life. But it makes me wonder how long it's still gonna be available, because honey, like Jaclyn Hill got about a good 3 palettes with Morphe at the moment. That's still on heavy purchase. All right, so I'm gonna add a little bit more depth in it. So let's take her, which is right above that orange. And this is more of a burgundy shade. I'm about to go for a brown, but I'm trying to switch up my looks for y'all. They've been so simple. So I'm just gonna pop her right in that crease. I'm just giving it a little bit more definition, and it's giving it. Look at that. Girl, y'all, don't sleep on this palette. This is one of my favorite palettes from Morphe. And of course, my favorite from Jaclyn Hill. This was the one right here. Oh, look at the crease, honey. This would be a really beautiful like cut crease type of look. And should I dare? It's been a minute since I did a cut crease. Ooh, do I know how to function? We're not gonna do it today. I'm looking at the time like, no. I know the time I have available to film now is when I'm on my way to work. So we're not gonna cut a crease this morning. But this would have been a really good cut crease. Oh no, my gosh, now I want to so bad now that I'm looking at it. That's be a good girl. So I'm gonna reapply some of my eyeshadow base though. It's gonna help whatever shade I do put on my lids pop. All right, so I'm gonna go for, let's go for the shade right here. I am gonna apply her a little damp. I'm gonna put that towards the outer part of the lid. All right, and I'm gonna add a little bit non-red tones that I've been using. Let's open it up with a different shade range. Let's pop this one right here. Ooh. And I'm gonna do the same step. I'm gonna apply it wet and put it in the remaining part of my eye. All right, so this is what the eyes are giving. I'm loving it. So I'm gonna pop my liner and do the rest of my face, and I'm gonna be back to complete the eyes. The face application is giving me my life. Okay, damn girl, you still got it, boo. You still got it. Sometimes you gotta toot your own horn. So toot. Okay, we are gonna do a red lip. Do I dare? My second guess is, but let's go for it before I think any further. So I'm gonna start off with my pencil. This is a new one, and she is called Ruby, and it's by Julia. All right, I got another new lipstick shade. This is by Juvia. Look, I got the red tip. I've had anything from this line, like lipsticks color wise. The only thing I have is like 2 of the new shades, so I thought that was like the packaging for all of them, but I didn't know it had the actual shade on the top. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I thought it was just the packaging. See, so cute. What? Okay, go ahead and give the perfect red the shot. To make this work even more, I'm going to add a little bit of like a brown lip liner just to kind of make the outsides a little bit deeper. All right, that looks so good. To clean this up, to make it look even more perfect, I'm going to clean up the outsides of my lip area. Look at that. All right, and I'm gonna go in with an orange shade for my blush. I'm gonna go in with this Beauty Bakery blush. I'm gonna pop her very nicely onto the cheeks. All right, so let's finish out the eyes and then we can be done with this look. I'm gonna go in with black pencil. And I want to go for that dark burgundy shade, and I'm just going to pop that right at the bottom of the lash line. So I decided to deepen up my crease and take a brown, because the red was giving me dark but not dark, and I think I just put too much darkness, but I can see the definition, right? So I definitely got to go back in with that burgundy, and we're going to blend her out because I didn't expect for her to be this dark. Sheesh, look at me trying to cheat. I made her too dark. Let me fix this. Okay, so this completes the look. I really do hope you guys like it. It's giving my life. Okay, these red lips, honey, and this beautiful blend of eyes. Although I should not have went heavy with that dark brown, but it still is giving the look what's supposed to be giving. So let me show you guys that eyeshadow first, because I didn't show y'all what I used. So the brown that surprised me was this shade right here. So that's what I put in my crease. And then I did put this shade right here. I popped it right in my inner tear duct. And I think that was everything that I might have did off camera that you guys didn't see. The rest of the face will be down in the description box, so make sure you guys check it out. But oh yeah, I get holiday vibes from this look so much, sis. But anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup look as well. You guys all have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.